Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to join a Webex meeting and create one. So first log into the Webex account, head over to meetings on the left side bar, click on start. Here will be directed to the edit page of your Webex meeting. So click on join from this browser and will be directed to customize your meeting for Webex. Here you will ask to access the camera and the microphone and grant permission. So click on continue without, continue that microphone, and here you click on start meeting to start your Webex meeting. That's it, guys. Your meeting is ready to be started in Webex. You can also join a pre-made meeting by your colleagues. So you're gonna click on join and you're gonna search for the meeting of your colleagues by entering the meeting number or the video address. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.